So good morning student. Today we are going to start new topic, revision for the new topic, that for feature. Okay, that for feature sale. Okay beta, we are going to revise the topic for feature sale. First we have to know about that what is the meaning of for feature sale. Okay, for feature means just cancel the share on the basis of due amount on that share. If any shareholder they are not able to pay the money of call allotment that calling by the company, then company have the right, they can forfeit the share of shareholders. They are not going to take that share with us. They are going to cancel that share. That is called forfeit of share. As like that, Mr. A have 100 share and he will not pay the money of allotment first call and second call. Okay. Then the company have power to take or cancel this share. Okay. And what amount he had paid, that amount take by the company. Its system is called forfeiture of sale. Okay, beta? This system is called forfeiture of sale. Clear? Now we are going for the entry. On the time of forfeiture, what entry we have done, that we are going to just see the two-way from issuing of the share at par and at discount. So for same way, for the forfeiture, two-way is there, at par and at discount. So first we are going to start how we are going to forfeit the share which issued at par. Okay beta, just see the entry. When we are issuing the share, at that time share capital debited beta or credited? Credited na? Here just opposite, we are going to cancel that share. Just opposite, share capital will debit. Share capital account debit. Okay beta? Share capital account debit. Okay? Then to share forfeiture. Okay beta? To share forfeiture. And then what amount we are not collecting, as like the share allotment, to share first call and to share second call. Okay beta? What things we are not collecting, that all things we are putting here. This is called the forfeiture share, entry of forfeiture of share. Okay? At par. First we are entered share capital, then share forfeiture, and then allotment. If allotment is not received, then allotment. If first call not received, first call. If second call not received, second call. If only second call not received, only second call here, these two are erased. Okay? If first and second call, so these two is given, allotment not going. If all three not received, then all three is received. Okay beta? Just see, as like that, if 100 share is there, they are not giving the allotment first call and second call, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees. So we are taking all three. Okay? If allotment we are receiving only one, first and second call, so then it will remove only this. Okay? If both are allotment and first call we are receiving, so then only second call. So then entry is this one. Okay? It means on this way we are going to maintain the entry. The full entry is to share allotment is there, to share first call. Okay? It's a full entry. But what amount on which first call, second call allotment, we are not receiving the money, then we are taking. If we are receiving the money, so then we are not taking. Okay beta? Now the main problem is that what amount we are going to enter in this share capital, in this share forfeiture, in this share allotment, in this share first call, in the share second call. Okay? Just see and keep in mind, in share capital we are written the money, what amount we called. Okay beta, what amount we called up money beta, you are calling in the 10 rupees only 7 rupees, so then 7 rupees. What amount we are going to call on that share which we are going to forfeit it, that amount we are entered here. Okay, beta. And next, forfeiture. What amount we are received? Received amount. Okay, beta. What amount we are received, that will entered in a share forfeiture. Okay. What amount we are received, that will entered in the share forfeiture. Okay. Then first call allotment, second call, the amount that will come in error, that amount which we are not received. Okay. Not received. Received amount or error amount. Okay. On allotment, the amount which we are not received or error amount we are entered. First call, same amount. Second call, same amount. What amount we are not entered, that amount we are entered here. Okay, beta. What amount we are not take, what amount we are not received, that amount we are going to enter here. Okay. Again, in share capital, amount which we are called up amount, share forfeiture, amount which we are received, share allotment, amount which we are not received, first call not received amount, second call not received amount. Okay, just see, I am just taking one discussion and then was a question. 100 shareholder, you are issuing 1000 share at the rate of 10. Okay, application, allotment, first, second, 3, 2, 2, 3. Okay, so then 1000, 3000, 2000, 2000, 3000. That amount we have to receive. But 100 shareholder, they are not giving the allotment, first call and second call. So 100 into 2, 200, 200, 300. This amount we are not received. Okay, and then we are going to forfeit the share. So how we are going to put? Just see, in this 100 share, we are asking these all. The full amount is 3, 2, 2, 3. Okay, beta? It means 10 rupees. If we are asking only 3 to 2 up to first call, so only we are going to take the 7 rupees. If you are asking only up to allotment, so we are going to take the only 5 rupees. But here we are asking for, we are calling for the all 3, 2, 2, 3, full 10 rupees. So we are going to take 10 rupees here. Okay, beta? And what amount received on this share? That application money. Only application money received, na? Just see. Only application money received. And application money 3 rupees. So 3 rupees. Okay, beta? 3 rupees there. Then next, what amount we are not receiving? 200 we are not receiving here. Are you sure? 2 rupees not received, 2 rupees not received, 3 rupees. Then multiply by number of share. Multiply by number of share. You can take that amount from the table also. But this multiply system is very easy. Then this side, it's a 1000, 300, 200, 200, 300. Total is 1000 and debit side 1000. Okay? On this way we are going to solve the question or do the entry for forfeited. Okay? At par. Clear? At par system we are going to utilize this. Again I like to repeat these things. Share capital account, in this we are using or taking the money, what money we are going to call up. In share forfeiture, what money we are received. In share first call, what money we are not received. Second call, first call, second call, allotment. In this, if we are not receiving the money, then we are incurred. Okay? Now I am going for the next, that is premium. If issued at premium and forfeit. Okay, beta? Just see, on the time of issue, premium credit. Okay, beta? So here premium will debit. premium account debit. Okay. But before starting this, one very important thing: if premium money not received, then to that case is the like a premium. Okay. Otherwise, if premium money received, that will treat like a at par. As like that, if allotment premium is there and allotment money received. Okay, beta. So that will the same case, at par case. But if allotment premium is given and allotment will not receive, so then we are using like a premium. Okay. So just see again, all things is same. Only change like application, allotment, first and second, 3 rupees, 3 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 1000 share, 2 plus 1 at the rate of 11, 10 plus 1. Okay, beta. 100 share, they are not giving the money. So allotment 300 they are not given. Okay, 200 for allotment, 100 for premium. Here 300, here 300. We are receiving only 200. 10 rupees full called up. Again 10 rupees full called up. 1 rupees premium we are not received. 2 rupees we are received. 2 rupees we are not received. 3 rupees and 3 rupees we are not received. Multiply by 100. Multiply by 100, multiply by 100, multiply by 100, multiply by 100, because the number of shares is 100. Okay? Now finished. Clear, beta? It's a premium. Now we are going for the reissue. Okay, beta? After the forfeit, we are going for the reissue. Okay? How we are going to reissue? We are going to reissue the same share, maybe at premium or maybe at discount. Here we are utilizing the discount. Okay, and the discount money which we are giving for the shareholders, that money we are going to utilize by the share forfeiture, because it's the old money, it's the old shareholders money that we are received. That money we are going to utilize for the reissued on discount. As like that, when we are going to reissue, to entry beta, we are receiving the money, bank account debit to share capital. Okay, old rate is 10 rupees. Now we are going to just reissue on the less amount, maybe 9 rupees to 1 rupees we are needed, and that amount received by the share for featured account. Okay, beta, that amount we are received from the share for featured account. Okay. And if we are issued at premium, so then to premium. It's a credit. Maybe 2 rupees, here 12 rupees. It's a 10 plus. Okay. On this way we are going to reissue the shares. After the reissue, one entry is coming after the reissue. Is set with this reissue entry. That forfeiture amount transferred in capital reserve. Okay, beta? That forfeiture amount transferred in a capital reserve. And how we are going to transfer, beta? This share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve. And what amount we are going to forfeit? If here premium, this forfeiture is there. It's a 9 rupees, 1 rupees, okay, into 100. Here we are utilizing 100 rupees, and here we have 200 of forfeiture amount. 200 we have the forfeiture amount, 100 we are going to utilize. So remaining amount 100, that amount will transfer in a share capital. Okay. If the share is same, so it's very easy. Forfeiture and reissued, both are the same share. It's very easy. But some question is different, as like that. If 50 share reissue, just see. If only 50 share reissue, to 50, 50. Okay. For 100 share, 200 rupees of forfeiture. Okay, beta. So for 50, 100. Okay. And from this 100, we are utilized 50 rupees. Okay, beta. So remain 50 rupees. that 50 rupees transfer in a capital reserve. Okay, only the money of forfeiture which share will reissued, that money will transfer in a share capital reserve account. Okay beta, that money only transfer in a capital reserve account. Okay, clear beta, how we are going to forfeit and reissued? Again, in share capital, called up money, share forfeiture, received money, share allotment, arrear or unreceived money, share first call, that money we are not receiving same amount, share second call, not receiving money. Okay, on this way we are going to forfeit the share. Okay, clear? Okay.